Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is so beautiful that it took 22 years to refine its beauty. But you will not know that no aeroplane can fly over the Taj Mahal. But why is this so? Why can't any aeroplane fly above the Taj Mahal? So let's know in this video. In the year 1632, $35 million was spent to build the Taj Mahal. But if the Taj Mahal is built at this time, then the total cost to build it will be $70 billion. In 2006, the government of India passed the law under which the Taj Mahal is placed in a no-flying zone, according to which no plane or helicopter can fly in the 7.4 kilometer area of the Taj Mahal. After all, what is a no-flying zone and what kind of areas are placed in the no-flying zone? A no-flying zone is a geographic location over which aircraft cannot fly. These aircraft can include manned aircraft, unmanned aircraft systems like drones. There are many places whose geographical conditions are not suitable for aeroplanes to fly. If the aeroplane is flown at such a location, the aeroplane and its passengers are likely to suffer heavy losses, and the chances of aeroplane crashing also increases. In addition, to provide protection to people living in a certain areas, the government of that country places that area in the no-flying zone. In the same way, many types of buildings have also been kept in the category of no-flying zone in terms of security. Taj Mahal is one of the oldest buildings in India. Every day, around 15,000 people come to see the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal generates an economy for the government of India. According to the minister's reply, the average annual income of the Taj Mahal is $500 million. In order to protect such a beautiful and precious heritage from air pollution and sound pollution, the government has placed the Taj Mahal in no-flying zone because both air pollution and sound pollution are done by aeroplanes, and aeroplanes can damage the beauty of the Taj Mahal in many ways. This loss is very small in appearance, but the damage caused by wind and sound increases with the time, and this small loss can ruin the Taj Mahal in a big way. Second reason to place the Taj Mahal in the no-flying zone is the safety of people coming to the Taj Mahal. People from all over the world come to see the Taj Mahal. The government of India is responsible for the safety of people coming from different countries. There are many areas in the world which have been kept in the category of no-flying zone by the governments there. Finland. All the traffic is prohibited above 2 nuclear power plant sites and the oil refinery site in the Finland. France. All traffic is prohibited above the city of Paris, including helicopters. India. The Taj Mahal, Parliament Building, the Prime Minister's residence, Indian Air Force bases, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Tower of Silence in Mumbai, the Mathura Refinery, the Padmanabh Swami Temple, the Tirumala Venkateshwar Temple, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, the Sri Harikota Space Station, the Kalpakkam Nuclear Installation. These all locations comes under no-flying zone. United States, Disney World, Thermont, Maryland, Texas, Nuclear Assembly Plant, Washington, White House, Mount Vernon, Virginia. These all locations have no flying zone.